So how do you read a script naturally on camera? Because most of the advice out there honestly is complete rubbish. So let me save you some trouble. Why should you listen to me? Well, because I do this for a living. I'm a Fiverr Pro top-rated seller with over 600 5-star reviews. My co-founder Josh is also a Fiverr Pro with more reviews than honestly I could count. Not only that, but we coach other spokespeople to the same level that we work at. So both of us are in front of a camera every single day reading scripts, just like this one. Right, so the number one thing we see people getting wrong all the time, super basic, completely stalls your performance, and that is trying to memorize the script. Just don't. Nobody does that. That is not how any of this is done. And that's where a teleprompter comes in. If you don't have one, you need one. It is crucial. With a prompter, you can read it as you go. And the trick? Read it in the tone of voice that you'd use to explain something to a mate. Like I am right now. The words are there to help you. You don't have to follow them exactly. It's not a performance. So 2 quick technical fixes that you can do right now. 1, just slow down. Beginners always read too fast. It is okay to take your time. The moment you feel like you're going slow enough, you know what? Try slowing down a bit more. 2, throw 30% more energy at the camera than feels right, because the lens flattens you. Big energy, but slow pace. And that will give you a natural feeling delivery. And if you want a fantastic teleprompter app that works flawlessly all the time, made by creators for creators, then try ours for free at steadyq.com.